Alright, we got the start of the match. We got Falco Sheik versus Fox Sheik. Alright, we got the gentlemen's. We're all homies here at Royal Smash. Yeah. Yeah. That was the quickest doubles match of all time. Alright. So, everyone debates this. Who wins, Fox or Falco? I don't know. I don't play either of those characters, so I don't have any real insight. I do play Sheik a little bit, but I know nothing about the Sheik Ditto, because there's no Sheiks in Pennsylvania, where I go to school. I play all Spaceys and more. University of Scranton.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And there's not that many players at school. Ooh, nice forward smash. I think Falco's forward smash is the best move in the game, in my opinion. So hype. Ooh. Nice back air. I'll be interested to see if the Sheiks are playing with or without chain grabs. Oh, he's got him in the wall. It is 20XX, guys. Ooh. Hold the stage. Ah. Wow, Sheik went flying off that shine. Ooh. Ooh, nice fair. Make sure the Falco's like, get out of here. Oh, he's out there saving his teammate. Good job. They even got a kill off that. Please. There we go. All right.
So we got Sheik and Fox against Falco and Sheik.
Who do you think wins the matchup? Fox, Falco.
Fox, Falco. I think it's really complicated this year.
Do you think it depends more on playstyle than character?
Inherently, as a character, I think they both mess each other up. But Falco's combos on Fox are just more true.
Okay.
I feel.
So you can just grind out that Fox matchup, where on Fox there's a little more nuance to it.
Yeah, I feel like for Fox it's a little bit more focused on the neutral aspect. Like you gotta keep the Falco locked down.
Okay.
But on the Falco side, it's just once you start going to town, it's over.
Who do you think does this matchup best on both sides?
I feel like it's easier to get better at the Falco side since it's easier to practice punish game.
Yeah, you can grind that out against the computer. I'm talking about players though. Who do you think has? Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like Mango's really got
Both sides of it down.
Yeah, especially the Falco side. He's got it really down.
Yeah.
West is also really good.
Yeah.
Sometimes Mango has trouble with West, but
yeah, I feel that. Switch to Fox.
Clearly,
we got straight up mirror matches now. What do you think about the Fox Sheik as opposed to Falco Sheik?
I feel like Fox Sheik, at least for teams, is probably better.
Yeah.
Falco is a little bit more.
He can get gimped real easy.
Yeah, he can get gimped easily, and his combos kind of rely on length of time, I guess.
I don't play Spaceys, so I have no idea how either of them really work.
I feel like Fox is just more mobile.
Yeah.
Able to do things, like get around.
Do you think Fox or Falco does better against Sheik? Or do you think it's about the same?
I don't know. I feel like maybe Fox might have a slight edge.
Why?
But that's just I just play Fox, so I kind of
you understand it better.
But Because I feel like Falco can just get gimped easier than
Yeah.
Fox can.
Yeah, because I don't have a. I'm in the middle of mains, switching mains. I was Sheik, then I switched to Samus, and then I'm thinking about just going back because Samus is hard. And getting wave shined is awful, and it hurts more as Samus because you can get out of it. It's just that I don't have the SDI and the ASDI to get out of all of it.
Right.
With Sheik, I know if I get hit, alright, that doesn't matter. So I do feel that Sheik Fox is a lot harder than Sheik Falco, because if you throw Falco off the stage, there's a good chance if you hit him with a needle, that's pretty much it. Fox's recovery constantly surprises me with just how long it actually is.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Like right there, if I was playing, I'd be like, oh, there's no way he's making it back, so I wouldn't even held the edge, and then he would have grabbed it.
Right. Yeah. It's just something you gotta get used to, and it's kind of hard, like switching back and forth between Fox and Falco.
Yeah, I don't know how people do that. Cause what is it, 2 frame difference on their jump squat?
Yeah.
And that's
I feel like
when you have the muscle memory built up with one character, and then you just switch.
yeah.
It's like a totally different. They combo totally differently too.
All right, so red team is down in stock. Sheik stock.
I'd say it's
But it's pretty even.
Yeah, because both blue players are at pretty high percent. Sheik's out of crouch cancel range, which is always a big deal. Oh, there you go. This is really close.
Yeah. Alright.
Wave shine up smash. Nice Fox bread and butter. Ooh, he shines his own teammate. Oh, but it's okay. The vanish lets him get back on stage.
Nice back air.
Yeah.
Gonna cover the edge. Yep.
Oh, he made it. Sometimes you think, oh, maybe I'll land on stage, and then you're like halfway there, and you just fall over.
We got a chain grab a little bit over there.
Oh, so they are playing with chain grabs.
They probably just didn't even like
Yeah,
realize what was happening. Okay.
That nair might have saved his team.
That's a nice fair though.
Oh, with the
nice
save.
Alright, it paid off.
Yeah, they got back on stage.
Alright, Fox
And
is
now
off
they got Fox.
Alright, so
Fox is
now-
dead.
Yep.
Fox got 1 stock left.
Alright, everybody's last stock now.
Ooh, this is hard for blue team though, because that Fox stock is looking
Alright,
real
there
fresh.
it goes. There's blue team's
Oh,
Fox.
and that's I'm surprised. No up air or up smash there. Oh, with the tricks.
Oh, could be bad. Nope.
Nope. Oh, he went for it.
You gotta cover that ledge when Sheik's trying to recover. There's 2 of them.
That's
so it's easier.
free. Yeah, that's a free hit.
Alright, now Sheik's. Nope. Alright.
He can't do anything too risky because then he'll just get up smash for it. All right, let's see.
Alright, he's off stage. Grab
You know,
ledge.
one grab can change
there's
the.
the
Oh,
up
that's it.
smash.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. As soon as he lands on stage, like he's dead.
That's the up smash.
So I believe it's 1-1.
1-1.
Yeah. I don't know who's playing what characters. I think Big Dicks is the red team.
Red team.
I think. I am not sure.
Maybe. Let's just go with something.
Yeah. I think that's what it is.
Alright, so are we gonna see a flat zone?
That'd be hype. Is Congo Jungle legal in this here?
I feel like Congo is not really legal anymore.
I think it should. It's neutral enough.
It really benefits floaties and people with high jumps. Like, you run into issues with people with low jumps like Ganondorf. Like, you can just camp the top ledge and they can't really do anything.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot of characters can actually get gameplay or like camp that way. Like maybe doubles is more dynamic, but you know, still a little tough. But though, yeah.
Mike,
Last hit every day.
is Congo Jungle 64 legal for doubles at Royal?
I don't have it as an illegal stage, but you can generally say anything.
Oh, I think. Oh, I thought they were going to poker floats.
Let's see the poker floats.
There's 2 out of 3.
Alright, Dreamland. Back to Dreamland. Hey, up smash.
No, most money matches are 3 out of 5.
Lost that dollar.
Lost $1.
Just throwing away your money.
Okay, it was only $1.
Alright, we got Sheik off stage.
I was close to him last
Just
time, so
back
I thought
off.
I might get it this time.
Oh, forward tilt fair.
Alright.
That's Sheik bread and butter right
Oh,
there.
nice reverse fair. But Fox comes back. Everybody just kind of tussling.
Just general mayhem over here on Dreamland.
Alright, up smash. Alright. There goes the first stock on red side.
Ooh, that.
Alright.
Oh, that was an opportunity there that they could have capitalized just a little bit better.
Grab ledge. Up smash.
Oh.
Steel smash. Alright.
Oh,
Oh,
there.
nice.
Ooh.
Oh. Trying
That
to go
would,
for style.
yeah,
right
that would have
there.
been real fancy. Ooh, forward tip fair. And he's just waiting for his teammate to come back. You don't want to take unnecessary damage. You know, with Fox on a 2v1, you could just get killed real quick.
Oh, yeah. Stage, okay.
Ooh, Firefox is too good. Sort of a Sakurai combo there.
Alright, down smash.
Three
Let's
down
go.
smashes, looking like MacD. That's 5.
Down throw. We got
Chain grab. We got chain grabs. Ooh, chain grab up.
Ends it early with up smash. Or up there. Okay.
Another up air like that will probably kill Sheik.
Yeah, that percent probably.
Ah,
Little miss input right there.
we take those.
Alright, box off stage.
Ah,
You got the burn. Oh, we just got chain grabbing over there. Here comes Fox breaking it up. Now we go back to Fox Sheik, little tussles.
who do you think should be the aggressor in these team dynamics? Do you think Fox should be running in there? Or you think he should be hanging back to support?
I feel like on Dreamland, Fox should be the aggressor. Sheik is really could be like a really good tank.
Yeah.
Just like holding those stocks, just living forever. Especially on Dreamland.
Yeah.
I feel like Fox doesn't really have enough like approach options or like really good approach options to really be an aggressor. All right, we got a team kill there.
All right, blue team. The game's about even because blue Sheik is.
Yeah, there goes.
Yeah, she's
Sheik
dead.
right there.
Yeah. All right, so we got a straight even game. Let's see what they
Alright,
can do on
what
this.
can red team do
short
before
turn?
Sheik comes in? All right,
Yeah.
there goes Fox. Now we got a 2v1 situation. Could be a little tough for Sheik.
Yeah.
Can't really handle 2v1s too well.
Best bet is to probably
Kill this Fox.
Fox
now,
and then you got to kill that Fox. If you get grabbed, you're getting up smashed.
and then chain grab the Sheik.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, there it is. Oh, not
Oh,
yet.
he's living. Good
Yeah, he's
DI.
still playing. Probably won't live another up
Ooh.
smash though, so he's gotta be careful about that.
Nice down smash.
Okay, he's gonna have trouble coming down. That's it.
That's it.
All right, and then blue team takes it, whether that be big dicks or
Yeah,
joystick.
yeah, we're not really sure.